This Amazon review is by James O. Thatch for the item Fun Express 72 Chinese Finger Traps. A toy. Or is it? Let's find out. Please be extremely careful with these. I got one for my daughter's 5th birthday. I thought it would be fun gag. That's how they market it. Leanne had no idea what it was, so I told her to stick her fingers in it. And if I could take back those words, believe me, I would. But she did it. Then she tried to pull her fingers out, and they wouldn't come. At first it seemed funny. God help me, I think I even laughed. But then she really couldn't get them out. I tried to pull them out for her, but the thing with this contraption is, the harder you pull, the tighter it squeezes. The Chinese are ingenious people. I tried looking for the instructions, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So I tried pulling even harder, but that thing clung to her tiny fingers like the cold grip of death. So now I really began to panic, and I did what I think any parent would do. I got a hacksaw. Bad call in retrospect. Bad call. And I don't do well around blood, so now I'm really losing it. I figured I'd go back to the basics. The claw hammer. Heaven knows I meant well, but it was the wrong tool for the job. I won't go into all the other things I tried, but after the miter saw, I realized I was in way over my head. Long story short, she wound up losing both arms up to her elbows. I'm giving it 4 stars because I guess it did what it said it would, but it sure wasn't what I was expecting. Some other reviewers really seem to like them. I guess I just don't get it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, hit that like button and subscribe so you can be updated when I release my next video. Take care.